Esports meets the blockchain. What project am I talking about? None other than one of my favorites, Veracity. We're going to take a look at what Veracity is, and also how you can earn up to 18% staking the VRA token. Let's go. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to find the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that can have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. All right, let's take a look at Veracity. We're on verasity.io. The future of esports, digital entertainment, and ad tech is on the blockchain. Experience the future in which esport, ad tech, and the digital content economy are powered by the blockchain. Okay, let's jump right into the main attraction of Veracity. By 2023, advertisers' total loss to ad fraud could skyrocket to $100 billion. VeraViews is solving the ad fraud problem with an end-to-end ad stack based on unparalleled transparency. VeraViews is a blockchain-powered ad stack built around Veracity's patented proof-of-view fraud identification technology. Security is paired with a transparent and immutable blockchain backend to offer unrivaled transaction speeds and accountability. VeraViews offers the safest ad stack with fast payment and settlement terms, which is unheard of in the industry, where people have to wait up to 6 months to get paid. So how does VeraViews work? Initial phase, cross-check if the user is known before engaging. The viewing phase, analyze the user's behavior and device parameters without impacting the transaction or engagement. Scoring phase, analyzes first and third-party data gathered from phases 1 and 2 with proprietary AI. Based on the scoring, the ad view is determined to be valid or fake. Posting phase, valid transactions are minted and commercial transactions are processed. With VeraViews, advertisers only pay for valid engagement on ad campaigns, and publishers get paid faster because the attribution data is real-time and immutable. So it helps both parties, the advertisers and the people putting out the content, which is great for both sides. Now let's take a look at the token itself, and we'll look at the wallet and how you can stake it. Vera Wallet is the wallet for the Veracity token. It says all roads lead to VRA. VRA is a digital currency created exclusively for the exchange and transfer of value in the esports, variety gaming, NFTs, and video economy globally. VRA is currently trading at a little bit above a penny. It's had a run up lately. We'll look at the chart in a little while. The max supply is 110.36 billion tokens. The circulating supply is 10.34 billion tokens. The staking currently is 18.25% APR, which we'll look at in a second. The circulating supply compared to the max supply does look kind of bad because there's only about 9% of the max supply circulating, but they do buybacks and burns. So we're going to take a look at that right now. So I knew Veracity was planning on doing buybacks and burns based on their revenue. I had no idea that was going to happen today. I plan on doing this video regardless. And this is Mark at Veritech. He is looks like the founder of Veracity. It says this is the start of quarterly burn updates for VRA token. We're onboarding new customers to VeraViews, and today we've reached a major milestone for Veracity with significant net revenues, buyback and burn. So they bought back $500,000 in VRA from revenues for this quarter. And they have the transaction hash on here if you want to check it out. And they say they're buying it straight from exchanges. They're not buying it over the counter. So it's just reached 280,000 followers. I'm trying to look to see if there's any more details on it. But no, that's going to be quarterly. So I guess maybe in April they'll do another burn, April or May, and we'll keep an eye out on that. So the total supply and the max supply and the circulating supply don't look as bad now, considering that they were going to do burns pretty frequently. One more thing, that there's a kind of rumor that Binance is going to list VRA very soon. They're showing different buys of millions of tokens that were labeled Binance 40 and stuff like that. VRA, Veracity, is a really long term for me. I'm not selling any till at least 2024. So I'm just, whatever I have, I'm staking, and I'm just kind of letting it stake and accumulate. I'm not going to sell any, even if it pumps up to 2 cents. I'm just going to I'm going to wait for the 2024, 2025 bull market. Before I get into the staking process, if you're in the US, it's not offered technically in the US. This is a statement from Veracity. It says, because of SEC regulations in the USA, we cannot market in the USA a program that could be deemed to be a security. We put up barriers to protect Veracity. We have not been able to determine in many cases whether users are from the USA or not, as they use VPNs and other proxies to get around this barrier. Since we are not aware of any US persons in the staking program, we have not forced anyone to unstake. Of course, no one has lost any tokens over this matter, as it's not our job to police Vera Wallet users. We simply do not knowingly market in the USA. I'm afraid we cannot say any more about this matter. So I guess this is going to be up to you whether or not you want to risk it. I guess you're not really risking anything. Worst case scenario, I guess what they're saying, not what I'm saying. I'm not giving any financial advice. What I am saying is that they're saying that nobody's lost tokens over this matter. Okay, so we're going to take a look at staking now. Okay, Veracity's wallet is called Vera Wallet, and the website is verawallet.io. And when you go on this site, you have to sign up here, and you give information, basically email, password, to sign in and agree to the terms and conditions. You also have to set up a Google authentication. That's part of it. So it's just a email, password, and then the Google authentication. And I'll just show you here where it says staking. The minimum per stake is 10,000 VRA tokens. The maximum amount per user is 200 million. I'm not sure if anybody got to that. So you just kind of go in here and then you transfer your tokens to a wallet address, and then you hit stake VRA, and then you get 18.25% APY until March 31st, and then I believe it's going down to 15% APY, which is still really good in my opinion. So you get paid out every 24 hours, which is cool too. So this is one of my favorite projects, and I'm just trying to accumulate as much as possible. And of course, since I'm in the United States, I'm not staking. So if you want to, you can stake if you have a VPN, I believe, if you're in the United States. But then go back and read that statement from Veracity to know whether or not you should do it or you should not do it. And it says here that available capacity is 24 million. So sometimes it gets close to capacity. Right now, there's quite a few openings. 24.1 million can be staked now, and you can unstake at any time. So there's no lockup period. You can unstake whenever you want, and it's paid out. The daily reward is 0.05% per day. The current price of Veracity is a little over a penny, and let's see what the all-time high is. All-time high is 8 cents, 8.6 cents, which is November of 2021. It was in the middle of the bull market. The current market cap is 112 million, 112.3 million. Still very low market cap. And here's the real chart. Here's the daily on KuCoin. That's where I've bought it in the past, and it's had quite a run up. down here, it was all the way down at 0.002 cents. That was back in January. So in about a month, it's had quite a run up. So look probably for a pullback pretty soon, but it's over a penny now. Okay, if there's any projects that I'm missing that I haven't done a video on, make sure you leave them in the comments. You guys have been doing really well doing that, helping me out to make content in the future. I do have a bunch of projects planned. I'm going to do some more gaming projects and a couple more AI, artificial intelligence projects as well. So leave those in the comments. And if there's any type of staking that I missed as well, please leave those in the comments. So as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.